Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G31, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard with an image on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Following that, select System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gbird. Now tap on Theme and click on this plus sign under My Themes. Over here, you can select one of those images, like that one, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, choose Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, click on Done and click on the switcher next to key borders to disable or enable them. Click on Apply and simply go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!